Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I will show you how you can create your own complete high IP investment system using Genius HYIP PHP script. So let me give you the quick demo of the website. So this is the website that we are going to create using this Genius HYIP PHP script. You can see. So this is how amazing the landing page of website is. So you can see this is the about section. This is quick profit calculator. You can calculate your profit by using this tool. So here is the best investment packages. You can select a user can select a package. You can see, and here is the list of all packages, and here's the list of withdrawals and deposits and all that. You can see why you choose us, refer your friend and earn money, our expert member. This is a testimonial section. You can see you can add your testimonials or your team members pictures and data here, and here is the here's latest news section, blog section, and our payment gateways. These are all the payment gateways that are embedded in this website, and this is the photo section. So let's explore its admin panel. You can directly log in from here. So when you click on login page button, you can directly log in, or you can register your account from here, create an account by clicking. So let's log into our admin panel and see how it looks like. Admin. So this is the admin panel of our website. I will just click on login and it will take me to the login admin panel. So this is the admin panel. You can see active customers 333, and your total blogs, total plans, total deposits, total deposit amount, total invest, and total amount in dollars, and all that. You can see all your investors list here. So here you can see the menu builder. You can create menu or delete menu from the home page, and here's the referral list. You can refer your friends. Manage plan. You can see manage customers, invest, transaction list, withdrawals, deposits. You can explore all these options. From here you can manage blogs, and from general setting you can basically change the setting of the website, logo, favicon, loader, breadcrumb, banner, website content, and many more. So here is the home page menu. You can see all the pages that were on our website home page. About section, about us, counter, partner, profit calculator, to how to start, referral section, and all the section. You can make changes in these sections. So here is email settings. You can set your emails, SMS settings, messages, payment settings. So here's the manage roles. You can manage different roles. Here's payment settings. You can manage currencies and payment gateways. So here are all the payment gateways that are given to you in this website, and you can also add your own payment gateway manually here. So here's the font option, manage staff, manage roles, and many more. Here are SE tools options, manage page settings, and many more things. You can also explore this. So this is the quick general overview of this website. So let me clear you that to make this website you need a PHP script named Genius HYIP script. So this is a paid Code Canyon script that you need to develop this website. So let's see that script. So this is a script that you need to create this website. So you can see its price is $69, and after 12 months you need to extend it with $24. So its sales are $227. Now if you don't want to spend this much money and you want this script for lifetime, you can contact me on the number given on the screen. You can WhatsApp me and I will provide you this for lifetime and on a very low price or minimal price. So let's start building our website. So I'm gonna host this PHP script on localhost, and you can also host it on your hosting server. The installation process will remain the same. So let's start building our website. Now if you are hosting it on localhost, you have to turn on the XAMPP and MySQL and Apache server. So now after this, you have to go to your PHP script. Now in my case, my PHP script is here. I will just copy my PHP script and go to the place where your XAMPP is installed. So here my XAMPP is installed in C drive. So I will go to XAMPP. Now go to htdocs folder and create a new folder with named Genius. So it is the name of the new folder, and now just paste this file here. So right click on it and just extract it. Now you can see our file has been extracted successfully. Now what you have to do is you have to simply just delete this file and go back. I'll delete this file and now go back and copy the name of the folder that you insert the script in which. So now go to your Chrome browser, and here's my Chrome browser. I will just open it and type localhost and put this name between those two forward slashes. Now after that, it will redirect you to the installer window. So here is the installer window appears. You have to simply just click on start installation. You have to fulfill all the server requirements. You can see all these requirements. Click on check permissions. You have to give all these permissions. You can see. After that, you have to click on config database. Now here we have to enter the database credentials details. Now let's create our database first, and I will go to localhost and phpMyAdmin. So here it is my phpMyAdmin window. I will simply create database with the name simply Genius. So I will create it. So database has been created. Now go to privileges, and here I have to create the user. So it is showing some error, but don't worry, we will resolve it. So go to MySQL, and here click on check all and repair table. Click on repair tables. So it will repair all the tables. Go to privileges and click on user, add user account. So here you have to add the user account. Now I will create the user with the name of Genius and select host. So type the password, retype it, scroll down below, click on check all, and at last you have to click on go button, and your user has been created successfully and database has been also been created. Now go to your installer window. Here you have to enter your website link. Now simply just go to above mentioned tab and Control C and Control V. From here you have to cut this step and install option, and it is the link of your website. So sorry, I have to paste it here, website URL, and you have to give your website name. My website name is Genius HYIP. So here you have to enter the database credential. So my host is localhost, my database name is Genius, my database username is also Genius. Here is password also Genius, and run on installer. So installer is running, and it will take its time. Now you can see our script has been installed successfully. So you can see your admin ID and password here. So this ID is used for logging into admin, and click on complete process, and it will redirect you to your HYIP website. Now you can see this is our website and it has been established successfully. So I give you this overview in the start of the video, so you can see all that things that I demonstrated you before. So this is our website. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you need PHP script, you can contact me directly on WhatsApp on the number given on the screen. And thank you for watching.